Ninth class English most important words, phrases, idioms. First, century. Second, conquest. Third, delegation. Four, urge. Five, ignorance. Six, responsible. Seven, influential. Eight, determines, determination. Nine, words. 10, sacrifice. 11, commendable. 12, prosperity. 13, motherland. 14, nationalism. 15, supreme. 16, invasion. 17, geared up. 18, global village. 19, constructive role. 20, to keep an eye. 21, entertain. 22, impact. 23, important. 24, made with anger. 25, fit of furry. 26, reveal the secret. 27, migration. 28, companion. 29, refuge. 30, quietly. 31, gave away. 32, solitude. 33, bits and peace. 34, man in the street. 35, raising spirit. 36, fall a prey. 37, nationalism. 38, impressive. 39, dexterously. 40, spacious. Must revise these most important idioms. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. Thank you.